Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review FocuSee. So FocuSee is a screen recording app, but it does come with some features that make it different from other typical screen recording apps. So when you are screen recording, one of the much needed features on such a use case is the zooming feature. You want your screen recording to zoom into particular spaces where you click your mouse. Basically you want the zooming effect, but that effect is super difficult to add while editing your video. But on FocuSee you do not have to know any type of editing. All you have to do is just click on a particular section, click on a particular option on a website, and it is going to automatically zoom in that. It also has various other effects such as mouse effects, mouse animation. You can even change the style of the cursor, the whole design of the cursor. And for making your video eye-pleasing, FocuSee has a lot of features. And one of the best part about this tool is that it is compatible with both Windows as well as Mac. And FocuSee is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $80, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $39. Now let's have a look at all the features and plans. So here are all the features. You have 3 screen recording modes. You can super easily add zoom effect with automatic or manual adjustment, which means automatic or manual zoom. You can add video background. You can even add a custom video background. You have mouse click effect, cursor style, spotlight effect, camera settings, preset canvas sizes for different platforms. You can upload videos to the cloud storage of FocuSee. You can add a custom watermark. You can change the settings for shortcut key. There are auto captions. You can add interactive elements. It is available for both Mac and Windows. You can add motion blur, mouse click sound, and you can also create various presets. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $39, where you have one device license, which means you can use FocuSee only on one device. And there is also 1 GB of cloud storage, and you can export your videos in 4K GIF format or up to 4K resolution. There is also tier 2, and the highest tier is this tier 3 that gives you 20 device licenses, which means you can use FocuSee on 20 different devices. You have 1 GB plus 5 GB, which means overall you get 6 GB of cloud storage, and you can also export videos in MP4, GIF, and up to 4K resolution. So if you want to buy FocuSee on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I show you how FocuSee works, let me take you to the roadmap of this tool. Okay, so here's the roadmap. First of all, we have 2 planned features, and both are great features. So zoom speed control and also adding blur effect to your videos. There are also some in progress features. So these 3 are the features that are currently in progress, and you can also see all the completed or shipped features. Now let me show you how FocuSee works. Okay, so as you can see, I have installed the application, the Windows application of FocuSee, and after opening, you're going to get a pop-up like this. And on the right side, you can set up your device. So first of all, you can add or connect your webcam. Since I do not have any webcam, I cannot connect one. And then I have to choose my input device or the microphone. So here are all the options. So this is my actual microphone, but for enhancing the sound, I'm using Crystal Sound. So I'm just going to select this, and then I can also select the output device. So once you set up all of your devices properly, and then you have to choose the recording mode. So you can record in full screen, or you can also record in custom size, which means you can select a custom resolution for the screen or the display, or you can also select a particular window for screen recording. So what I want to do is select full screen. So for recording, I'm going to open my Google Chrome browser. So on the browser, I have opened the Wikipedia website, and exactly on this website, I'm going to screen record. And once again, as you can see on all of the corners, you can see the sky color edges. So it is indicating that FocuSee will record the full screen. So I'm just going to start my recording now. So first of all, I want to click on this English. I want to select this language for Wikipedia. Okay, so it has opened. Now I want to open an article. For example, I will open this Iberian links, this article, and here's the article. So now I can click on another link or open another article. So let me open this one. Okay, so now I want to click on this particular word. So I think that will be enough. Now I just want to stop the recording. So as soon as I stop the recording, the editor has opened. Now I can customize literally everything about this video or the screen recording. So first of all, I want to make it full screen. So here's my video. Let's play this video. So first of all, I want to click on this English. I want to select this language for Wikipedia. Okay, so it has opened. Now I want to open an article. For example, I will open this Iberian links. So as you can see, as soon as I click on a particular text or a particular section or a particular option, it has automatically added the zoom effect. So I clicked on this Iberian links. Let me show you once again the zoom effect, Iberian links, this article. So as you can see, this is how the zoom effect is going to work. And the best part is I can also select how much time I want the zoom effect to last. So as you can see on this editor, on the bottom side of the editor, you can see the duration for the zoom effect. For example, I do not want this zoom effect to last this long. So all I have to do is just shrink it. So I'm just going to do that. And now once again, if I show you the preview, I will open this Iberian links, this article. And here's the article. So as you can see now, the zoom effect does not last as long as before. And on this whole recording, I clicked on my mouse 3 times. So you can see the zoom effect for those 3 times. So here's the first one, and then the second one, and then the third one. So obviously for zoom effect, you can shrink the duration of the zoom effect. So let me shrink it all the way to down. And now if I show you, it is not going to last very long. Click on this English. I want to select this language for Wikipedia. So as you can see now, the zoom effect was pretty quick. So other than changing the duration of the zoom effect, you can also change various settings on the zoom effect. And for that, you have to click on that particular zoom effect. And as you can see on the left side, now all the editing options have opened about zoom settings. So first of all, you can disable this zoom. Now it is disabled. If I show you the preview, there's going to be no zoom effect. Open this Iberian links, this article. So as you can see, there was no zoom effect since I disabled it. But once again, I'm going to enable. And here you can also select the zoom level, which means how deep you want the zoom to be. So if I make it all the way to 3 or 4x, as you can see, the zoom is going to be super deep. It is going to be extremely zoomed in. So you can obviously adjust the level on here, however you want. And for example, you want to apply the zoom level to all the zooms. So I have 3 zoom effects on my video, 1, 2, and then 3. So if I want to apply this particular zoom level to all the zooms, all these 3 zooms, I can just click on this apply to all zooms. And then I can also add a manual zoom. So obviously there are some automatically added zooms. These are added based on the mouse click. But what if you want to add some manual zoom? So for example, you want to add zoom into places where there was no mouse clicks. So in that case, what are you going to do? Let me show you. So for example, you want to add zoom effect on this 8 second on this particular time. All you have to do is just hover your mouse to this bottom section, this particular section, and then just click on this plus icon. As you can see, the zoom has now added. Now you can move this zoom. You can increase or decrease the duration of the zoom. And obviously if you click on this particular zoom, all the settings are going to open on this left side. So this is how basically all the zoom effects are going to work. But other than that, there are a lot of other customization options on FocuSee. So let me show you those. I'm just going to go to this video enhancement. And here you have a lot of different settings. So first of all, you can select the canvas size. So it is set to original. You can set it to 16:9, 1:1, 4:3, or there are also some custom size. So from here you can select the custom size. But other than that, there are also specific sizes, canvas sizes for different platforms such as YouTube, YouTube Reels, TikTok, Twitter landscape. So you have all these options. So I'm just going to keep it my original, and then you can change various settings about style. So first of all, you can change the padding for this video. So if you decrease this padding, the video is going to fill more screen, and if you increase it, it is not going to take as much space. And then you can also increase the inset. So this inset is basically the thickness of the border of the video. So the more you increase it, the more border there is going to be. And then you can also change the roundness. So this roundness is the corner, the roundness of the corner. So if you make it 0, there's going to be sharp corners, but you can also increase it in order to make your corners rounded. And then you also have shadow. You can increase the shadow around the edges of the video. And then you can also change the background. So as you can see, this is the particular background. So you can also select another background from here. You can select the background that matches the best with your video. You can also select solid colors as the background. You can also add a custom color from here. And if you want to upload a particular image to use it as the background, you can also do that. Just go to this custom and then upload your image from here. But now what if you do not want any background at all? In that case, what you have to do is first of all, decrease your padding all the way to 0. Decrease your inset as well as roundness. And as you can see now, there is no background on this video. You can only see the full screen video. So this is how you can get rid of the background. So after this video enhancement, we also have another section on here. You can customize various settings about your cursor. So first of all, you can change the cursor style. So as you can see, here is my cursor. It is very default Windows cursor. For example, I want to change this style to this one. As you can see, it has changed. I can also change it to this one or this, whatever I want. So I'm just going to keep it this particular cursor, and I can also increase the size of the cursor. As you can see, it is now increasing. You can also add a mouse click effect, which means once you click on a particular spot on a website, it is going to show some effect. So here's one effect. Here's another. For example, I want this effect. Now if I play this video and if I show you a mouse click, you're going to see the mouse effect. I want to select this language for Wikipedia. So as you can see, there was a very subtle ripple effect. Okay, so it has opened. Now I want to open an article. For example, I will open this Iberian links, this article. So I hope you can see the mouse effect. So you can select the effect from here. There are multiple effects, and there's another great feature, that is this mouse click sound. So once you click on something on your mouse, if you want a very noticeable sound, you can also add that. Just enable this, and here are 3 sounds that you can choose. So I'm just going to select this crisp. You can also adjust the volume for the mouse click sound. And now let me show you a mouse click, and let's see if I can hear the sound. I want to select this language for Wikipedia. So if you have noticed, there are noticeable sound, mouse click sound on this English. I want to select this language for Wikipedia. So this is how the mouse click sound is going to work. And then there are also some animation settings. So you can select the screen zoom in. You can increase this or decrease this. You can do the same for screen moving as well as your cursor movement. And if you want motion blur, you can also enable this from here. And then there are also some other settings, such as you can add captions, subtitle to your videos automatically. So all you have to do is choose a model, select a model. It could be Nano, Basic or Pro. So once you do that, all you have to do is just select the language, or it could also be automatically detected by FocuSee in order to generate your captions. And then all you have to do is just click on generate captions. It is going to download that and add the caption to your video. And last but not least, there is a very important feature, that is watermark. You can add watermark to your videos and show that watermark throughout your video. So let me add a watermark. So as you can see, I have uploaded this particular logo. Now I can also select the position, and I have to select the position from this left side. So it could be on the top left, top right, bottom left or bottom right. I think bottom right looks pretty good. So I'm just going to keep it here, and I can also increase or decrease the size. So I'm just going to keep it at 5, and I can also select the opacity. So how much visibility I want for this particular logo or watermark. So now if I play this video, click on this English, I want to select this language for Wikipedia. So as you can see, throughout the video, this watermark is going to be visible. So these are basically all the customization options that you get. And just like any typical video editor, you have the timeline for the video, and you also have a lot of editing options, such as you can crop your video using this feature, and then you can also clip your video or split your video, cut your video using this clip feature. And there is also this spotlight feature. So if I click on this spotlight, what it does is add a spotlight to a particular section, to a particular spot on your screen recording video. As you can see, this spotlight effect has been added. Now I can move it. I can take it anywhere I want. I can change the duration. So for example, on this particular 6 seconds, I want to keep this spotlight effect. So I'm just going to keep it here. And the best part is I can even select exactly where I want the spotlight. So for example, I want the spotlight on this particular logo. So I'm just going to make it a little bigger, and then I'm just going to keep the spotlight on here. And let's see if I can see the spotlight on this particular section. To click on this English, I want to select this language for Wikipedia. So as you can see on the video, the spotlight was pretty clear. Once again, let me show you. I'm just going to increase the duration of the spotlight. And now let's play this video. On this English, I want to select this language for Wikipedia. Okay, so it has opened. So as you can see, this is how the spotlight feature is going to work. And then you also have the undo, redo, the delete feature. On the right side, you can zoom in, which means zoom in to the timeline editor, or zoom out. You can also select the sound on this particular editor. And then on top, there are also some other options, such as you can create your preset, you can add a new recording, you can also upload your video to the cloud. So all you have to do is just select the resolution and the frame rate for the video, and then you can upload this video to the cloud. And you can also export your video to your PC or to your computer. For that, you can select the format, the resolution, and obviously the 4K resolution, which is amazing, is available. You can select the frame rate, the name, and where you want to save this file. And on top, there are also some other options. You can see the history. So on this history, you can see all of your projects. And if you click on edit, once again, you can open that project in order to customize that particular video. You can also open the folder on your computer, and you can also see the upload history. And then there are some settings that you can change. So let me show you those. So first of all, there is this auto start setting, and then there are some shortcut keys that you can customize. So overall, I think FocuSee is an excellent screen recording app. It has literally every feature that you need in order to shoot the best screen recording video. It could be a video for your product, or it could be a tutorial video. So there are a lot of use cases that you can use FocuSee for. And there are some much needed features such as automatic zoom. You can also add manual zoom. There are mouse effects. You can change the cursor, the mouse sound, and there are a lot more features that you will surely need if you have to screen record on a regular basis. So if you want to buy FocuSee on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.